Myself, Mohammed Kutti, Managing Director of Automax Solutions India Private Limited, better known by our brand name Auto BSc. We are on a mission to transform how vehicle auctions happen in India, making them faster, more transparent, and more rewarding for everyone involved, both online and offline. The spark of Auto BSc came from a simple but powerful observation. Banks and NBFCs were struggling to dispose of repossessed and distressed. Traditional auctions were slow, unclear, and often failed to connect with the right buyers. The four big challenges we identified were: number one, institutions could not reach the right buyers. Second, auctions lacked transparency, creating trust issues. Third, pricing was inconsistent, leaving smaller uncertain. Fourth, transactions were painfully slow, delaying cash flow. But we identified the opportunity. Used car market is booming, and online salvage auctions are growing with digital adoption rising. This was the perfect moment to step in with a structured, tech-enabled solutions. We are not just another auction platform. We have a pan-India reach, and we have innovated WhatsApp bidding first time in India. For vehicle registration details, challan details, we have integrated ProVahan before bidding process. Looking ahead, our vision is to expand into new cities and even international markets. Scaling up of the number of auctions, especially for repossessed assets. Upgrading our digital platforms for real-time bidding, building stronger partnerships with banks, NBFCs and fleet operators. Conducting open auctions in all major cities for B2B and B2C. Introducing a new app to provide a total package for banks. Deploying advanced valuations tools for accurate pricing of vehicles. Offering secure leasing yards and parking to enable weekly auctions. These steps will help us grow, serve our clients better, and stay ahead of the curve. To wrap up, Auto BSc is more than a business. It's a solution to long-lasting problems in vehicle auctions. With strong leadership, innovative technology, and a clear vision, we are committed to delivering speed, transparency, and maximum value. I am concluding. For more details, please visit our website www.autobsc.com and social media pages. Thank you.